This Avalon model in Martin Crossing sits in one of the best locations Stuart, Florida has to offer. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers 2,189 square feet of thoughtfully updated living space, listed at $549,500. The kitchen has been completely transformed with dual-tone cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The refrigerator and Bosch dishwasher were replaced in 2020, and the GE Profile cooktop and microwave were installed in 2025. The formal dining area features a custom built-in wood bar with a wine refrigerator, ice maker, and granite countertops, giving you the perfect setup for hosting. The primary bedroom suite is just as impressive. Its bathroom has been completely remodeled with a new walk-in shower, granite countertops, and beautiful marble flooring. Step outside to an extended paver patio surrounded by lush, private greenery, complete with a summer kitchen featuring a Paradise Grill built-in grill and a brand new beverage refrigerator, perfect for entertaining. It is about the lifestyle that comes with it. Living in Stuart means waking up every day in one of the most desirable places in Florida, where the sun shines year-round. Golf enthusiasts have their pick of 17 golf courses within 10 miles, perfect for around any day of the week. Stuart Beach and Bathtub Beach are close by, offering pristine sand and calm, clear water. Known as the sailfish capital of the world, Stuart puts you minutes from the St. Lucie River and the Indian River Lagoon, ideal for boating, sport fishing, and days on the water. Downtown Stuart's historic waterfront district delivers incredible restaurants serving everything from fresh seafood to world-class cuisine, along with charming boutique shopping just around the corner. Families will love access to the Martin County School District, which earned an overall A grade from the Florida Department of Education. For those who travel frequently, Palm Beach International Airport is about 45 minutes from your front door, making it easy to come and go as you please. This is more than a home, it is your lifestyle. I'm Matt Walsh with Illustrated Properties. If you would like to schedule a private showing of 1292 Southeast Fleming Way in Stuart, give me a call at 561-886-8456.